Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. This is your boy Alex, and this is
your boy Nikhil. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like button. Today we're gonna do a prank on my mom. First, we're going to go to Walmart.
No. You don't gotta tell them nothing. We're just gonna get everything ready, and then we will show you guys what is going on. Stay tuned.
Now catching feelings, baby.
Early, ain't nobody trying to work, huh?
Nah, cause it's almost Christmas.
We're getting two just in case.
Yay!
Yeah. Come on.
And they look yummy.
Okay. You ready, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, what we about to do?
We finna prank my mom.
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. My first street, na pare.
Dis-moi your first street, man.
My first street.
Oh, on a fait $100 on va ça gain.
Bet. We're really gonna get her more?
Does she have one of these before?
Nope. She don't even have one. But what are these?
The good girl blush.
Oh.
When the lady gets here, bro, don't look at me. You the man. Run this shit. Come on.
She's still in here.
Go get her.
What? I don't know where she at.
She right there.
Where?
They're over there. Look. Boom.
Where? Oh.
Go.
What do I have to say?
I need help. You got it. You big boy now.
No.
She help you. She help you.
Wait. Do I get?
Yeah, he does. Go talk to him, man. Tell her what you need, man.
We need one of those stuff.
Go ahead. Man, got ginger, man. I thought you was ginger, bro.
Ooh.
Nickel, come on. I thought you was ginger.
I was.
Okay, you gotta camper. Tô com ginger. Ela fala na aula.
Wait.
L'elle vini. Be like, ça me besoin. You know what I'm saying?
I know.
Stop touching stuff. That's your problem. You're out here touching everything.
Which one you need? On that one. The biggest one?
Okay, you big balling, huh?
We get the smallest one.
Run your packet, bro. Come on.
You're gonna pay for that.
I don't know how you're gonna pay for it.
I'm the one who's paying. You're the one who's paying.
Come on.
I don't have money.
That's your problem, man. We're back rolling.
Got that much money. Okay, now we have to walk all the way
Hey,
over
man.
there.
You big balling now, huh?
Ow,
You got money?
Ow. Oui, me get l'argent là, me get tout l'argent là même.
Calcul, fait.
Ma paye pour bagay là, me get l'argent sur moi, oui.
Combien qu'on gagne sur la fête?
I think $265. This was 66 gold. What's your way?
Je monte bag là. Combien qu'on boulé?
Me boule $600.
Comment?
$600.
$600.
$600.
As when we la kunya.
Black eye.
She can see everything that's in the car. She cannot see this. You feel me? So whatever you do not let her see it.
Okay.
Come on, get on there.
I'm gonna try my best to not let her see.
All right, come on.
Corn ready.
So this is a prank.
We're gonna cut the bread in half, make it look like a shoe. Then we're gonna put it in the box. Then we're gonna wrap it up. Na coupe bread la pour nous faire li TANKOU na TANKOU sadal ou tennis. Là nous fini na mettre na box la, what la. Là fini na mettre under the tree.
Sorry.
Oh, it smells out.
All right.
It looks so good. I want to eat it.
Cut it half, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cut it half.
Oh, it looks so good.
Then I've cut this half. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then this I'm gonna slide. Watch out.
It looks so good. Oh, it really looked like a sandal.
I know, right? This is the gut.
yummy. It tastes so good.
That's the gift. Gonna peel, MèSi peel, ça, MèSi peel, bro.
Let me see it. Oh my god.
Hold on, I gotta measure it, make sure they're both the same.
It looked like flip swaps. What if this was
That's what it's supposed to be.
really looks it looks so good.
Nickel, you know what? On commence à parler créole, ben on a dit. Ooh, that's a good. Grand vicié.
Yeah.
That's called vicié.
It looks good. And it tastes good.
That's it. Mais, c'est bien.
Look at it.
Pince à eux, bon.
Look at it. Flip it, flip.
It's cleaned out. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got it.
Here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on.
I'm so glad I
Where's
had
the
one.
box? So this is the box. Hey, Pan Cuba.
I know, it's so good.
Let me get some more.
Can I get some more too?
Vicié. That's not how they do it, bruh.
Isn't that how they do it?
No, man. I don't know. Oh, the shoes be like that for real. I make it young.
Oh.
Get down to business.
It goes so smooth and kind of rough at the same time.
Oh yeah, you stay right here. Finish it up. What else we gotta do?
We gotta wrap it up. Oh, there's a wrapper right over there.
We got the wrapper.
But it looked kind of funny. It is funny. Oh my god. Guys, we literally put the bread in there. Oh my gosh. I can't wait for her reaction. It's gonna be so funny. When she looks inside, she's gonna say, "Ah, what is this?" Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button. Don't forget to do that stuff, okay? So we're gonna put it under the tree and wrap up these stuff. Then when we finish, we're gonna see what her reaction is gonna be.
You wanna put it? Come on. Take your time. Figure out where you want to put it before you even put it down.
The middle.
So, ça c'est prêt là. Et nous mettons pain. Nous faisons pain en tourner. Nous faisons pain en tourner.
Sandal.
Look at you. On parle l'école already. Nous faisons pain en tourner sandal. Et puis nous coupons. Et puis nous allons mettre en bas cadeau en bas tree. Et puis nous allons écrire là.
C'est tout mon Dieu.
Reaction Lee.
That part. Nous allons écrire réaction. Et puis tout. Bon, ça c'est point là. Si vous ne faites ça toujours sur still regarder, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned to all the videos that will be dropping. So, l'en parler, make sure cadeau ça c'est lui-même qui est ouvert en dernier, n'a mis ça sur surprise qui est ou et au travail dit pour ce pour année et nous avons décidé de remercier pour tout ça fait. On a un petit flow et puis tout les flow nous mettre flow, n'a mis le cadeau ça en dernier pour une réaction. Stay tuned.
Put it at the. Put it in the first.
First what?
Like put it like right there.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys. Thank
go.
you. Thank you. Oh, that's for me too? What is it?
Open it.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
Open it. Come back.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open
Opene
How
what?
many snow?
Fais bouche main longue.
Ali, o soda liye. Well up yo. Well up yo. Put it on, put it on. Put it on. Then Jordan, hey, them the new Jordan that just came out. They just fix something. Well up yo. Come on, put them on. Watch out, Mikel. Hey, breathe. Breathe.
You guys play
Breathe.
too much.
Put them on. That just came out.
Mommy, eat
Put
it.
them on.
Eat it.
Put them on. Put them on.
I
Put them on. Hey, Mikel, breathe.
Mikel.
Mikel,
Breathe.
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 Hey, them the new Jays. They just came out. Put them on. Mais no, put them on. Put them
Magel,
on.
lá o fini
Metal
Magel.
up yo, put them on. That just came out. Come on. Come on, put them on. Yo, bobo. Fouye l'autre là, fouye l'autre là. Fouye l'autre là. Hey, Jay's on my feet. Jay's on my feet. Jay's on my feet. Jay's on my feet. Mikel.
We don't have one.
Hey, so guys, ça c'était point là,
Yep.
Yes sir. Ça c'était point là que moi Nickel balance mettez sous pied. Come on, parle avec moi.
Ok, baby, merci parce que vous avez regardé cette vidéo. Bon, moi, je vais vous faire vidéo, mais beaucoup de monde merci et vous prenez une vidéo. Anyway,
Mais
vous
vidéo
abonnez,
qui pas fait.
partager, like. Ok, faites petite bagaille. Nous déjà connaît. Libre me kounya, m'a prend le vidéo. Nous connaissons quoi ça bagaille. Moi pas j'aime quitter pour moi même.
I don't know which team I'm on.
Walk up. But anyways,
I work
regardez
for
vidéo
both.
qui pas fait, le pourquoi aller dormir prom et yo lever me là non non ba gift là moi dormir dans prom. But nous fait point quand même, so stay tuned, n'a plein point cap venir encore, so pas négliger et follow page là et like page là, mettez petit bouton notification nous on plan la next vidéo pour nous connaître. Nous out.